Hello everyone, how are you all? I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, for liking, sharing and subscribing it, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is a video for whosoever required, okay? So these are the important messages for whosoever is required in the world. So I hope I help you out in some manner, and I will try my level best to deliver all the messages which I am getting to deliver. Okay, if you are seeing this video, that means that this is your video. This is the video for you. That's why you are seeing this video. Okay, so that's the thing. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages which are important for you. So let's see what are the messages for whosoever is required. Please help me out, guides, God, Spirit, Angels, Fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver for whosoever is required. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever is required. Give me the messages. What are the messages for whosoever? What are the messages? And one more thing, if you listen any music in the background, I'm sorry for that, because there are all my family members are listening to music and they're singing and dancing and enjoying it. Okay, beautiful messages. Okay, the first message for you is winds of desire. Okay, as you boat of the on the water is swept away from the strong wind and thrown, of course, even one of the senses on which the mind focuses can carry away one's intelligence. So maybe you are having a lot of, desire inside of you. So you need to the first card for you is winds of desire. So you have to control your, have a balance of desires. Okay, whoever you are, you need to maintain that balance of desires. That's the message I'm getting. Then there is pearls on a thread here. That means know for certain that whatever is found in this creation arise out of a combination of your spiritual and your material energies. You are the origin and dissolution of all. There is nothing beyond you. Everything rests upon you as pearls are strung on a thread. Okay, so that's the message I'm having. Then there is sense control. See, there is a control here which you have to maintain. Your sense control, your desire control. So you have to maintain your balance. That's the message I'm getting. One who is able to withdraw the senses from their objects, like a tortoise drawing its limbs within its shells, it's firmly established in wisdom. Okay, then there is the restless mind, because once you are not balanced, okay, if you cannot control your senses, if you cannot control your desires, and if you are not having any peace of mind, then your mind will be restless. Okay, so maybe you are having the restless mind. So the yoga practitioner whose mind is unbridged can never attain self-realization. Only one who has mastered the self and who strives by the right means is assured of success. So you have to, give rest to the mind. Okay, the restless mind is here. So maybe you are having restless mind. You cannot stop your, things, and you cannot stop thinking. That's the message I'm getting. Then there is lamp of knowledge. To those who are constantly devoted and worship me with love, I give the intelligence by which they can attain me. Out of compassion for them dwelling in their hearts, I destroy the darkness of ignorance with the lamp of knowledge. Okay, so if you are keep doing your inner work, if you doing your spiritual practices, if you keep worshipping divine, if you have trust in the divine, in the universe, they will destroy the darkness and into the lightness. Okay, they will remove the dark and you will come towards the light. Basically, you will understand that you are having a lot of knowledge inside of you, because you are having a knowledge. So you have lamp of knowledge here. Then there is great souls and seeing good. So you have to see good in everyone. Okay, whatever person or soul you are dealing with, you have to see all good, because all souls, everyone belongs to divine. So those who see me in everything and everything's in me are never lost to me, and nor I am ever lost to them. You have to see good in everyone around you. Then there is great souls. Okay, after innumerable births and deaths, those who are wise surrender upon me, knowing me to the cause of all causes and all exits. Such great souls are very rare. So you are the rare soul. Okay, you are the great souls, because once you surrender yourself to the divine, that means you once you trust the divine, you surrender to the divine, you are the great soul. So just you have to remember this thing very clearly. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages for whosoever is required. Let's add some messages from Everyday Miracles. What are the messages which I need to deliver? There is no will but God will. See, again the same message is here. When you have learned how to decide with God, all decisions become an easy and as right as breathing. There is no effort and you will be led as gently as if you were being carried down a quiet path in summer. So you need to surrender yourself. There is no will but there is God will. Whatever divine has planned for you, you will get that only. Okay, you just need to surrender yourself with the divine and trust that everything is working for your best. Okay, divine is working with you to give you the best, because they are the father and the mother of us. And how can parent always give us best? Okay, I choose the joy of God instead of pain. No one created by God can find joy in anything except the external. No, not because he is deprived of anything else, but because nothing else is worthy of him. That's the message. My holiness shines bright and clear today. In this world, you can become a spotless mirror in which the holiness of your Creator shines forth from you to all around you. You can reflect heaven here. In my defensiveness, my safety lies. It is not danger that comes when defenses are laid down. It is safety, it is peace, it is joy, and it is God. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Lovely messages. Let's add some more messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages for whosoever is required. A new day. This is a new day. Enjoy every day a new day. Okay, that's the message here I'm getting. Let go of what was in order to make room for what's to come. It may be time to release a relationship that has run its course, a job that lost his luster, or depleting commitment. The past is over. What's done is done. Acknowledge the feelings, learn from the experience, and give yourself permission to release any negative emotion or guilt. When one area of your life fall apart, new opportunity fall its place. Okay, so beautiful message which I got to deliver to you. Let me see one more. Okay, make waves. It's your turn to make a splash and rock a few cracky boats. Don't be afraid to get wet. If you may fail, you may look foolish, or you may make people think in a new way. Okay, every great trailblazer and change maker made waves, so you are no different. Okay, That's the message I'm getting. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Be like a fool, okay? Make a decision, and whatever you will experience, that will be a lesson for you, maybe, if you commit a mistake. And if it is not a mistake, then it will be a blessing for you. So move in a forward direction. This is the time for you to make waves. Accept yourself. While there is time and place for self-improvement, today focus is on everything that's already great about you. Let go of who you think you should be and fall madly in love with who you are in this movement. When you accept yourself exactly as you are, you shift from living for tomorrow to appreciating today. Accept yourself, sweetheart. That's the message I'm getting for you. Thank you so much for giving the lot of beautiful messages for whosoever is required. 0808 was the recording reading time. Let's see what are the messages from God and Goddess. Let's add 1 or 2 cards. One more for whosoever is required. Too many. No, there is no one. They're asking me to stop. I will stop. Okay. There is only one card. Chandra, the moon god. This is a moon god, and this says that this is a time. This moon god is giving you blessings of purification of blood, nourishment of the crops. Okay. Any subduing mental ills and anxieties, overcoming permissions and madness. Okay. So this is a time where you can worship moon god, also the Chandra. Okay. And the meditation, what you can say is that salutations to the moon god who adorns lordship crown. His complexion is in color of curd, count shells and snow, born out of the ocean of milk. He is the best tower of the nectar of immortality. So this is the message which I'm getting for you. Thank you so much. Let's add some message from affirmations. Affirmations deck is so cute. I love this deck. Actually, I love all of my decks. You can see them. See how many decks and beautiful decks I have. Okay, let's see what is the message which I need to deliver. Acceptance. When I get to know new people, I accept their actual traits rather than the ones I project on them. Same goes for non-new people I already know. Acceptance is the delicate art that reminds us everyone is their own unique self, and we can't expect them to ever be anything but man. How do you snowflakes do it? So you need to accept people as they are. Acceptance is here. Self-acceptance and acceptance, both messages are here for you. So thank you so much for giving the messages for whosoever is required. Let's see some messages from Law of Attraction deck. Let's see what are the messages for whosoever is required. I attract the essence of whatever please me. When you go into your creative workshops, you can begin to assimilate the data that represents your preferences. As you will prepare a picture of self from which you will begin attracting into your experience the essence of all that has been pleasing you. So that is the message. Let me add one more. Okay. I am not here to create sameness. See, everyone is unique here. Okay, there are so many different worlds as they are perceivers, beings or individuals. You are not here to create one world where everyone is the same, wanting and getting the same. You are here to be that which you want to be, while you allow all others to be that which they want to be. Everyone is unique. See, acceptance. See, same the message. You have to accept yourself and accept everyone as unique and different. That's the message which I am getting from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages for whosoever it was. Let's add some chakra cards. What chakra cards you want me to give? Maybe this chakra is the message which you get is that maybe you have to work on that chakra. Maybe that chakra is blocked for you. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, because this is the collective general messages. So maybe that will not apply for you. But if it does, if it is resonating, you can take this deck. Okay. Let's see which is the chakra. Which is the chakra they need to work on for whosoever it required. Give me the chakra on which they have to work on. Which is the chakra? Third eye chakra. Psychic awareness. I open my third eye and allow visions of higher wisdom to receive and trust it. I see clearly things that which will come through my subtitle senses to assign the alignment of my will with divine will. My psychic awareness is scared and aligned with the highest good to myself, others and planet. I am psychic. Psychic awareness. Okay. So the third eye chakra. You need to work on your third eye chakra. Let me add one more. For whosoever, which chakra is blocked? And it was come. Thank you. Solar plexus chakra. So you have to work on your solar plexus and your third eye chakra. You are free to yourself. Yeah. You are free to be yourself. Your power is yours to keep. No excuses, no apologies. Banish fear and shine your light. You are always have been, you always will be, and you are, you belong. You have to accept yourself. That's the message I'm getting here. You have to work on these two chakras, your third eye chakra and your solar plexus chakra. So thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from your Love Yourself cards. What are the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever it is? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. I release all blame and turn within to seek the truth. I affirm that I am willing to release the causes and the patterns in my consciousness that are creating any negative condition in my life. Okay? Beautiful message. I release all blame and turn within to seek the truth. Then there is each person is a part of the harmonious whole. With joy, I recognize my perfection and the perfection of life. Beautiful message. I know and affirm that my body is a friendly place to live. I have respect for my body and I treat it well. I affirm positive thoughts and the things about my body and tell it I love it often. Okay. So these three messages are here. Let's add more cards to love yourself, love your life. Life loves you. Okay, and let's see what are the messages. Then I'm going to close out this reading. Okay, what are the messages which I need to deliver? What are the messages? Lot of messages. Okay. Okay, so the first card for you is that I listen to the wisdom of my heart. Place your hand over your heart. Ask your heart what it wants to know today. Okay, what it wants you to know today. That's the message I'm getting here for you. I practice love, kindness towards everyone, including me. Are you as kind to yourself as you are to others? Finish this thought. One way to I could be kinder to myself is. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here for you. I am sustained by love. Whatever you do, wherever you go, whoever you are with, let yourself be guided by the loving hands of the universe. Okay. I trust the guidance of the universe. That's right. You need to trust the guidance of the universe with whole heart. Trust that everything you need to know is being revealed to you in the perfect space time sequence. Okay, so trust the guidance of the universe. Then there is I am creative. Honor your unique gifts. Think of 3 ways you could express your creativity today. Use your creativity. Okay, whatever creativity you have, you can express them, you can use them. Then there is I choose peace. Life does not want you to suffer. You struggle because you let life love you only so much. Where there is drama in your life, let grace in. Okay, so let grace in. That's the message I'm getting here for you. So these are the messages for whosoever is required. I do not know who required these messages, but if you are watching it, that means this message belongs to you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to anyone who is watching this video, whoever you are, wherever you are in the world. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.